ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Good morning, my name is Rob Clayton. Well, the Australian dollar once again fails that level of 77 cents overnight, or yesterday should I say, with the market challenging a high of 77.09 and then fails and drops back heavily. Do note, we got an outside range day last time we challenged there. We've got another outside range day. Now further confirmation is needed like before with a heavy candle to the downside. We still need confirmation today. So therefore the range on the day looks for a 75.80 support, and a break there would look towards down a potential target of 75.20.30 and reassess from there. Any advances towards the upside, resistance now comes in at 76.65.75. In light of how the technical pattern is playing out, as I say, would like to see further confirmation to the downside, but nevertheless even the 4-hour posted a 4-hour bearish outside range day. Technically, the stochastic still supports a move down. Thirdly, we have a trend coming through here, so I do expect to see that challenge on 75.80 and see if we can get a break to go down towards 75.20. The euro still very much playing in a range of 111.70 to 112.45 after we saw a stab up towards that region overnight, completely rejects that level and falls away. I'm still holding the view that 112.45 to 112.70.80, which is where it's highlighted in yellow, the market will continue to show supply, with the outcome eventually seeing a move through 111.70 and lower down towards 111.20.40 and reassess from there. Dollar yen surprisingly breaks through that level of 190.95 and pushes higher to a high of 101.82 and backs away from there. For the start of today, as long as we maintain above 160.65, I am still looking for a move up towards 101.45 and higher through 101.80.85 and on towards 102.60.70. around this region where it fell before. Failing to hold above 165 then exposes further weakness down towards 110, and I'm still not in a position to short this market underneath that level, as I still believe 90, 40, 60 will still hold if challenged. The sterling outcome fell to a bearish side overnight after the market failed towards that top side of 130 and now looking towards the support of 129.10.35. In light of the current weakness and the downtrend since 134, I believe the market will eventually challenge the level of 128.45.55. Now do note, if we get a break of the key support level, which is at 127.75.90, then I expect to see further weakness and the market plummet towards the territory challenged around or traded around 1985 of 118 to 124. Resistance on the day for the pound looks around 130.15 and beyond there, firmer at 130.70 to 131.20. The gold outlook still remains negative after the market broke the recent level of 1,322. I'm still looking for a move down towards 1,300, but initially may see demand around 1,312.14. But once that's depleted, then I expect to see further weakness and challenge that pivotal point. Now, if we get a break of 1,300, that gives a whopping fall to 1,250. And do note that we are currently, in a technical sense, on a daily seeing a trend holding and seeing stochastic supporting this move down. So do keep an eye on the next 12 to 24 hours and see if we get a challenge of that 1,300 level. Resistance now comes in at 13.26 and firmer above there at 13.30 to 33. And to wrap up with oil, the market pushes higher but still struggling towards that 48.45 level. In light of the current price action, I believe the market will top out towards that 49.60.70 level and turn back towards support of 46.10. Now, a break beneath there would see further weakness and look towards a potential target of 44.50 and lower towards $43 a barrel and reassess from there. So we're nearly at the top side of the range and soon to turn around and test lower. Well, that concludes my morning's intraday webinar. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoy the day ahead and to the long weekend.